Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 110 of Building the Tumbler, the Batmobile from the future. Is it the future? I don't know when these films are set. I really don't. Weird and Wonderful is the comic that we're looking at. Gotham After Midnight, 12-issue mini-series. And the Lego Batman movie. I still haven't seen all of it. I started watching it and then got distracted by shiny things. I shall go and watch that later, I think. Yeah, that'll be a thing. Yeah. When was that? 2014. Oh no, Lego Movie was 2014. That was after that. That's scary, 11 years ago. Yep, there we go. The Joker and other villains featured in the film. All Batman in it. Yeah. Batgirl. Good stuff. So this is the same as we did last time, although we have an extra set of screws that we're not using. I don't know why. I'm assuming we're using them next time. But for now, just supplying them this week. I don't like them when they do that, but there they go. Exactly the same as last time, so that should be easy to do. And then we have it next to the body itself, which we're not actually doing anything yet, but we're going to be doing that, I believe, next time when we get a huge tyre. This is the first tyre, but we've got two at the front already, so I don't know. Don't know how they're counting. But for now, that's that. Let's clear this out of the way and let's get this axle finished. So here we go again. Let's get the C-clip out. Keep that over there. The WMs are the ones that we're not using as yet, so we'll keep those for now. The EPs are for those bits. Let's get that out of the way for now as well. CM is what we're going to be using now. 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. One kept spare, safe. This is going on there just like the one did on the other side. It has got a post that goes into it already, so that already creates it quite secure. So this shouldn't be too much of a problem. Just a case of getting these in nice and tight again. Let's get that lined up on there. Get the first one in. Second one in. And the third one in. Now, I'd say these do need to be nice and secure, so I'm going backwards and forwards to loosen up the thread to make sure it goes in there all the way. A little bit more than that, I think. There we go. So it's already quite tight with just the one tightened up on there. So let's get the others done. No point in cutting away to come back to show me doing the same thing again. So let's get it all done now. Just take an extra minute. Not even that. And the rest of this should be fairly straightforward because I've done it all before as well. So hopefully nice and easy. So we'll get that one in on there. And that is the final screw, nice and tight there. Then we need to do this bit again. We'll put this together. Just a little push studs go through there like that. And these go on there like that. And then that goes on there. And they line up exactly where they should. If I can do that both sides at once is the trick. So there we go, that's those in there, and I didn't even get the screws out, so I'm going to have to do that. Just need the 2 EPs. And they will go through there. So one bit goes through a pin, goes into the hole, and the other one is a hole where this screw goes, which I can't get from this angle. There we go, just about there. That's that one. Same on the other side. that in there, and the screw in this side. That's that. I'll get those tightened up once we're done. But the C-clip then just needs to pop across there, just like it did last time. On there, and then all the way in, holding that captive like that, ready for the tie to be fitted on there, and then another one on the edge. So that is that. I believe next time we're going to be using the WM screws and putting this onto the back of the car. So I'm looking forward to that. For now, that is another issue completed. So thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.